How to fix if your Honor 200 is not turning on. So to fix this issue, plug in your charger for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold the power button for at least 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, release your finger when it shows a logo on the screen. So after it will show a logo on the screen, then your phone will be restarted. And after restarting, open settings, scroll down and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software updates. Now from here, check for the software update. So if there is a update available, then tap on download and install. And after downloading and installing the update of your phone's software, your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your phone is not turning on. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.